go find Soren? There he is. You were crying and there he is. Soren, can you tell him that you want him to come? You have to look at him, honey. That's not fair to be. Kieran, can you walk to Soren? Bye. 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 Go on ahead. Guess not. Oh, there's Daddy.
Hey, walk over here, buddy. Kieran, walk over here. Can I get a big hug from my Kieran? Come on. I want a big hug. Oh, thank you. Hi. Hi. Oh, what a good big hug for you. Now, where's Mommy? I think Mommy wants a hug too.
Can I have a hug?
Mommy wants a hug. Oh.
Bonk.
Oh, bongo time?
Let me try it.
Soren.
He kind of took it away from you.
Yeah, that wasn't particularly nice to take it away from somebody who's playing it.
Play with it a little bit. Okay.
If you want to come play with it, you have to keep it where it is so he can still play with it.
Keep going.
So done. That's long. And Jason's skin goes on.
Hi, Kieran.
Hey, Soren.
Hi.
Soren, I think we need to go drop the Netflix. Do you want to help me drop off the Netflix?
How do you drop it off?
We go to a mailbox.